Okay, I've got this power supply module for the McGrath Mini amplifier built up now. Got the logic board in place over here, and I've got the relay board here built up, which will go inside the amplifier unit. And so I got them temporarily tacked together for testing purposes and hooked up to the foot switch here to test out the overall relay control logic. Unfortunately, I don't have a TRS cable or 3-conductor cable. I just have a regular guitar type cable here, which is okay to use with the foot switch, but it means that only button 1 works and not button 2. So, but it still gives an adequate test, and by jumpering things on the jack I can test both channels anyway. But I've got a TRS cable around here somewhere, but I can't find it right now. Gonna have to order some more of those before I ship this thing out, of course. But anyway, here's a demonstration. Just flip on the power there. Got all these switches in the foot switch position. Blue light comes on there indicating the 5 volts is active, and then if I come over here and push button 1, it lights up, and you can see I have 1 of the 5 LEDs hooked up, so it lights up too, indicating that the whole thing is working, which is good to know. I can also put them into the permanent on position, and then by flipping this I can hear the quiet clicking noise from each of the 5 relays themselves, which lets me know that they're all the relays are working and wired correctly. But there we go, little test. As I guessed, this board did work correctly as originally built. However, the overall system did not work because I had the LEDs wired backwards in the foot switch, which I had made some modifications on, and so the overall system did not work entirely at first power up. I had to correct that first, but it was close to working, and this board worked, and this board worked as built. So it was actually the simplest part over there that had a wiring problem, wouldn't you know it. But anyway, that's the first test of this aspect of the McGrath Mini amplifier. Boop.